marketing centers.
The Office of the District Mission Coordinator SSA West joined Hills with an objective to uplift the standard of education as mentioned in the RTE Act 2009 yesterday conducted a training program for principals, head teachers of different schools at Inclusive Education Resource Centre, Mihmyntdu. The training was on children with special needs to educate the school authorities about those rights that students should receive, which are according to the RPWD Act 2016. Resource persons from SSA Mary G. Mohan, Block Resource Person IE, along with LK Singh, Coordinator IESSA, explained and delivered the training on the inclusive education and the 21 types of diseases which are under the RPWD Act 2016. Madhya Pradesh capital Bhopal